Hi everybody, this is Dominique, and today I'm here to talk to you about an ill-structured problem of practice within my classroom. Last year I had a child diagnosed with cerebral palsy. According to the CDC, cerebral palsy is a group of disorders that affect a person's ability to move. It is the most common motor disability in childhood. According to an article by Jashing, Jansen, Strand, and Natavik, it is important that as educators we provide our students with early intervention of assistive technology. Assistive technology is important because it encourages participation, independence that students would unlikely have otherwise, and it provides coping skills for students. While thinking about cerebral palsy, imagine being in a first grade classroom, 5, 6, 7 years old, and having difficulty gripping a pencil, crayon, marker, or even a paintbrush. Think about the limitations that could have in showing your work or understanding. Today, I am going to be showing you a technology tool called Kami. Kami is a digital paper pen tool that allows for communication from students. Kami allows for students to select a way of showing their work. In a classic worksheet here, I have provided the students with a story map. Students are able to insert text boxes, they are able to insert pictures from their computer. They are able to insert shapes. They're able to insert their own personal drawings. They are even able to comment with a voice comment or a video recording. I believe that some of the affordances with Kami is it allows for voice, choice, and ownership from students. While considering UDL, Kami aligns to it through encouraging engagement, voice, collaboration, choice, and learning. Coping skills. Students can choose to insert images, text, drawings, or video and voice recordings. Kami highlights the UDL guidelines of action and expression by having students have the ability to vary responses and to have access to tools and technologies. A limitation to Kami when considering students with fine motor difficulties is navigation and use of tools. In my school, we have touch screens that allow students to touch exactly what they want or draw. While considering a mouse or touchpad, I could find this to be challenging with students of fine motor difficulties. A larger mouse with a single button may need to be incorporated. Overall, I think Kami is a great tool that encourages independent skills while allowing for creativity, voice, and choice.